Welcome to ABC World TB.
One bright morning, Anna and Elsa went for a walk in the snowy forest. As they walked, Anna spotted some shiny chocolate footprints on the ground.
What are those?
Chocolate footprints.
They followed the trail together step by step until they reached a big secret door hidden behind the ice.
Should we open it, Anna?
Of course. Let's see what's inside.
Kriak! The door slowly opened, and guess what they found? A sparkling chocolate river flowing with sweet cocoa waves.
Wow, a chocolate river. I've never seen anything like this before.
They crossed a chocolate bridge and walked into the magical chocolate factory, where every candy had a special shape waiting to be discovered.
Are you ready, kids? Let's guess the chocolate shapes together. Look what Anna found. A round, yummy chocolate coin. Can you guess what shape this is? Yes, you're right. It's a circle, just like a cookie or a round chocolate coin we eat.
Circle, circle, round and sweet. Chocolate treats are fun to eat.
This chocolate has 4 equal sides. What shape do you think it is? Correct. It's a square. Just like a small piece of a chocolate bar, square-shaped cookies, square-shaped cake, square bread slices.
Square, square, neat and fair, chocolate chunks are everywhere.
Pointy on top, flat on the bottom. What chocolate shape could this be? Yes, you guessed it. It's a triangle, just like a Toblerone chocolate piece. Triangle like a chips, triangle like a cake slice and watermelon slice. Triangle like a sandwich slice and pizza slice.
Triangle, triangle, pointy treat. Yummy chocolate can't be beat.
Oh, this one looks long on 2 sides and short on the other 2. Kids, can you tell me what shape it is? Yes, it's a rectangle. Just like a big chocolate bars we buy in the store, like your house door, like your bed where you sleep, and rectangle like a bill, like a TV and TV remote where you watch us, and also rectangle like a cell phone.
Rectangle, rectangle, long and wide. Break the bar and share inside.
Next is, wow! Anna found a very special one. Can you guess this chocolate shape that looks like love? Yes, you got it. It's a heart shape, just like the heart chocolates we see on Valentine's Day.
Heart, heart, love so true. Chocolate hearts are just for you.
Okay. Now, this chocolate sparkles like the night sky. What shape do you think this is? That's right! It's a star! Just like star-shaped candies we get on Christmas.
Star, star, shining bright. Chocolate stars are such delight.
Okay, next is so interesting. Let's guess. Shiny and special, just like a jewel. What chocolate shape could this be? Yes, it's a diamond, just like fancy diamond-shaped sweets in gift boxes.
Diamond, diamond, shining bright. Chocolate diamonds taste just right.
Not quite a circle. This chocolate looks like an egg. What shape is it? Correct. You guys are so smart. It's an oval, just like chocolate Easter eggs.
Oval, oval, egg-shaped fun. Chocolate eggs for everyone.
Wow! This chocolate has 6 sides and all 6 angles equal in size. It's a polygon, meaning it's a closed shape made of straight lines. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What shape is it? Yes, it's a hexagon, just like a honeycomb chocolate piece. Hexagons can be found in nature, like in honeycombs, and in everyday objects like pencils and footballs.
Hexagon, hexagon, 6 sides neat. Honeycomb chocolate is such a treat.
Spooky, yummy, fun. Anna found a chocolate shaped like a pumpkin. What shape is this for Halloween? Yes, a pumpkin shape, just like the pumpkin chocolates we eat on Halloween night.
Pumpkin, pumpkin, trick or treat. Halloween chocolate tastes so sweet. Wow, it's one more Halloween-themed chocolate. Look, this is bat-shaped chocolate. So fun.
Look, a chocolate that looks just like a Christmas tree. Can you guess the shape?
Correct. It's a Christmas tree shape, just like the tree chocolates we see during Christmas. Tree, tree, Christmas cheer, chocolate trees are here each year. Here's another Christmas-themed chocolate, which looks like... We discussed the shape a few minutes ago. Yes, it's a rectangle-shaped chocolate.
Wow, this chocolate looks like a firework bursting in the sky. Can you guess the shape? Yes, it's a firework shape, just like the sparkling chocolates we eat for New Year celebrations.
Boom, boom, fireworks high. New Year chocolates light the sky. Wow, Elsa, they look just like real roses, but they're chocolate. You guys must have seen these on Valentine's Day. They smell so sweet. Kids, can you guess this shape?
Yes, it's a rose shape. You're right. And you know what? Roses are not just flowers. Today, they're the yummiest chocolates ever.
Look, Elsa. These chocolates are shaped like pretty flowers. They're colorful and sweet, just like a garden full of flowers.
Okay, now in the last. Do you know what my favorite shape is, kids? Can you guess?
I know that. It's snowflake. And my favorite shape is heart. Chocolate hearts are the yummiest too.
Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for all the magical chocolates, and thank you very much for the chocolate factory tour. Now, it's time to go home.
And with big smiles and happy hearts, Elsa and Anna waved to the factory workers as they stepped outside, ready to head home.
Oh, these chocolates are wonderful!
We should do this every week. We have some special treats for you.
Hands! Here you go, little ones!
On their way home from the magical chocolate factory, Elsa and Anna spotted some children playing in the village streets. With big smiles and baskets full of chocolates, they shared the treats with the kids, spreading joy and laughter everywhere.
Chocolates are so sweet and fun to share. But eating too many sweets is not good for your teeth.
Yes. And remember, kids, chocolates are yummy, but we should enjoy them carefully.
And so Elsa and Anna's chocolate adventure came to an end. They discovered so many fun shapes, shared sweet moments with friends, and learned the joy of giving. Remember, the sweetest adventure is sharing, and taking care of yourself too. Until next time, friends, keep smiling, keep sharing, and keep exploring shapes.
Thanks for watching ABC World TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning. See you next time, friends.